Hi everyone, in this video we're talking about ratios and how you might use them in primary school, SATS or 11 plus. So here we go, ratios. It's a bit like sharing things but unequally, like it says here. 3 cakes are shared by John and Paul in the ratio 1 to 2. I don't call that sharing, but anyway. So basically what you do, okay, how many cakes were there? There were 3. Okay, they've got to be shared in the ratio 1 to 2, so that means every time John has 1, Paul will have 2. So we start off with a very simple question. So basically John has 1, Paul has 2. Job done. Okay, next question, slightly different because we've got 6 cakes shared between Kate and Amy in the ratio 2 to 1. So every time Kate has 2, Amy has 1. Okay, so Kate has 2, Amy has 1. You might have noticed that we've got 4, 5, 6, which is what we were asking for. So Kate has 4, Amy has 2. So what some people do, they'll do something like this. So you'll have Kate, you'll have Amy. Use tally chart. So 2 to 1. So Kate 2, Amy 1, Kate 2, Amy 1. We can see straight away that that is 6. That's fine, that's easy enough to do. But when you have larger numbers, it doesn't work very well. So the method I'm going to show you is what you do. You add the ratio up. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then we do the total divided by that ratio total to give us 2. And now each individual number in the ratio is multiplied by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So Kate has 4, Amy has 2. Okay, great. So let's go on to another question. Got that bit out there. Okay, so now we have 8 slices of pizza. So circle our total. It's one of the most important things in this question. Shared by Mike and Karen in the ratio 3 to 1. How many slices does each one have? I've always listed the names in the order they were in the question, but just watch out in case they sneakily switch them around or something. So obviously every time Mike has 3, Karen has 1. So if we add the numbers up in the ratio, so 3 plus 1 equals 4. We just take that 4, so we divide the 8 by that 4. We get an answer of 2. Take that 2, times it by the 3 to give you 6, which is Mike's total. Take that 2 again, times it by the 1 to give you 2, which is Karen's total. So there you have it. Mike has 6, Karen has 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Check back, they did have 8 slices, so that seems to work. Okay. Now we've got 10 cakes shared by Harry, Steve and Dave in the ratio 1 to 2 to 2. So circle that, you've got 10 cakes. Again, if you add these up, 1 plus 2 plus 2, you get 5. So take that 5, put it over here, 10 divided by 5. This gives you 2, so that's our multiple. So we go 2 times 1, so Harry has 2 cakes. 2 times 2, Steve has 4 cakes. 2 times 2, Dave has 4 cakes. Add them all up, 2 plus 4 is 10. That's the same ratio, and also same number. You can also check out the ratio. Well, Steve and Dave should have the same, which they do, and they should have twice as much as Harry. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So that's perfect, that's worked out really well. So let's look at one more question, and then I'm going to give you a couple of questions to try, see what you make of it. So this time we've got £18, so let's ring that total, 18. We're sharing it between 3 people, Harry, Steve and Dave, in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3. So in other words, in the answer, Harry is going to have half of what Steve has got and a third of what Dave has got. So we add these up, 1 plus 2 plus 3, so you all know that is 6, 5, 6. So we just take that 6, so 18 divided by 6 gives us 3, which is our multiple. all we've got to do now is take that multiple, times it by each one of the individual numbers in that ratio. 3 times 1 gives you 3 for Harry. 3 times 2 gives you 6 for Steve. 3 times 3 gives you 9 for Dave. Check we've got it right by adding up. 3 plus 6 plus 9 is 18. So far so good. Dave should have 3 times as much as Harry. Yeah, and that's correct. Steve should have twice as much as Harry. Yeah, that's correct too. So we must have done that right. Okay, so pens and paper at the ready for a test. So I'm going to put the questions on. As we've done before. Okay. Right, 2 questions to do. So £15 was shared by John and Paul in the ratio 3:2. How much money does each one have? 28 marbles were shared by Helen, Daisy and Jasmine in the ratio 4:2:1. How many marbles does each one have? Okay, so if you would like to stop the video, work those out and then restart when you're ready. Okay, so hopefully you've managed to work those out. So remember what we do. We look at our total, which is 15. We're going to get the total from the ratio 3 plus 2 equals 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Times that 3 by each one. 3 by 3, so John should have 9. 3 by 2 is 6. Paul should have 6. Add them together, that makes 15. Perfect. This one we've got 28. We're going to divide it by 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 7. Divide by 7 gives us 4. Use that to multiply. 4 times 4, 16 for Helen. 4 times 2, 8 for Daisy. 4 times 1, 4 for Jasmine. 28. That was in the original question. That sounds good. So well done if you got those questions right. Thank you for watching that video. And if you enjoyed that, please check out our website for more great online resources. So the address is www.routes2success11plus.uk or find us on Twitter @routes2success. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thank you.